You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love when you're sad and you're feeling lonely and you don't know what to do. There's a new best friend on the way from Pocketville just to meet you. Some puppy love to be there by your side and be with you night and day. The truest friend that you will ever know is only a wish away. Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. Want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love. Ever know is only a wish away. Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. When you wake up bright,
Let the friendship ceremony begin! Let the spirit of the friendship heart light the way to the magic fountain!
Friend is only a wish away. Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day.
Hello, what a nice little kitty you are. Well, no one could call you shy. How I wish that Princess Ava were here.
I dreamed last night that she came back.
We all miss the princess, but we have to keep looking on the bright side.
That's what I need to talk to you about.
Do you have any news?
I don't want to get your hopes up, but we're getting closer.
This time we're gonna free the princess.
Really? Don't get too excited, but we're trying to do that.
One moment, Kate. With Eva around, you can never be too careful. We can speak freely in the castle. Go on, Kate. Don't keep us in suspense.
Well, friends, we have some good news, and we have some bad news.
That's a classic.
Give us the bad news first, then we can get it out of the way. The bad news is the Petbuster's house, where Ava is being held prisoner, is built like a fortress.
And the good news?
The good news is, even though it may be strong, I think it still has a weak spot. Unfortunately, since we last tried to save Ava, the Petbuster has become extra cautious. Our plan to get through the window isn't going to work. And our plan of getting through the front door isn't going to be so easy either.
To open a lock like that, you need a professional locksmith.
And don't forget, we have to watch our every move.
Hey, let go of my tail.
Look, there's a surveillance camera on the door.
And if we do get inside, things aren't gonna get any easier.
Good morning.
Are your alarm systems as foolproof as your ads say?
Are they foolproof? You're joking.
No, I never joke.
Not even the world's greatest thief is able to outsmart our alarms. I guarantee it. Our infrared cells are latest technology. They're the best. If someone tries to enter, you'll know immediately.
So there's nothing that can be done?
You said that it may have a weak spot, but I don't see one at the Pet Busters' house.
We haven't found it yet, but I'm sure that we will. If there were only someone who could help you. Here in Pocketville, we made so many friends, but things are different in the big city.
It's a lot more complicated with grown-ups.
The only person I can count on is my father, but then I'd have to reveal to him the secret of Pocketville.
We can't run that kind of risk. Besides, an adult could never understand. Even someone like your father. Gosh, this is a real tail buster.
But there is a way to get inside. I'm sure of it. I already have a plan.
A plan? Well, that's good news.
You could have said so earlier.
How will you be able to get inside the house? Well, it's kind of hard to explain.
Just trust her, it's a great plan. You do have a real plan, right, Katie?
Okay, look. I've made a map of the Pet Busters' house. As you can see from my drawing, there's only one way to get inside.
But I don't see it.
Me neither. I give up. How are we gonna do it?
We'll use the most direct route, the front door.
And how's that? Let me guess. We just knock and he opens the door.
Of course not. We'll go in when the Pet Buster is out.
But I don't think we'll ever be able to break the lock on that front door.
There's another way. If we had the key.
Huh?
You really want to use the Pet Buster's key, Katie? Are you sure that's a good idea?
Well, it sounds a bit dangerous to me.
Anyway, how are you gonna get the key?
I know it's dangerous, and I haven't thought about how we'll get the key yet, but we have no choice. We have to free Princess Ava at all costs.
I don't know how much longer I can keep going inside this cage.
I have her right in front of me at this very moment.
Excellent. Keep an eye on Ava and don't let her get away.
Don't worry about me, Eva. You just worry about your promise, okay?
Rest easy. I always keep my word. But first, I must become the new Princess of Pocket Kingdom, so Ava must remain in prison.
She's going nowhere.
Keep your eyes open. That little girl, Kate, will try to free my sister.
Do you think I'd be fooled by a little girl?
Don't underestimate her. I'm telling you from experience.
Listen to me, Eva. If she shows up, she's finished. That's enough now. I'm busy. I'll be back, Princess. Don't go roaming off anywhere now, will ya?
There he is. He's leaving.
Be careful.
If he sees us, it's over.
Whew. He almost caught us. That was close, but now we know we need the red key to open the front door. Come on, we can't lose him.
Let's go. We'll lose him like this.
Look, over there, the van is stopping. Come on, you two, let's go.
Do you really want to go inside?
What if the Pet Buster sees you?
Listen to me. We need the key to get Ava out of there, so we go where the key goes.
Come on.
There he is. Now be careful. He mustn't see us.
He's placed the keys on the counter. And there's the red key, the one to the front door.
What do we do? Steal it? We strays are great at stealing things.
Absolutely not, Wallace. Stealing is wrong, so we don't steal.
Well, the Pet Buster's done something wrong. He kidnapped Ava.
That's true, but two wrongs don't make a right.
But how are we gonna get the red key?
Well, if the Pet Buster were to leave his keys on the counter, we could grab them and take them to his house and give them back to him, right?
It'd be like doing him a favor.
And while we're in the house, we could release Princess Ava.
It'll never work. The Pet Buster will never forget his house keys.
Maybe, maybe not. Now, listen very carefully.
Hey, what's wrong with you? What do you want from me?
It looks like those dogs have got it in for you.
You better get away before they bite you.
Leave me alone. Don't you know who I am? I'm the Pet Buster. I'll make it worse.
Do those keys belong to someone?
They belong to that man with the dogs.
Would you be so kind as to give them to him?
Why, of course, no problem. Did it. Now we can get inside the Pet Buster's house and save Princess Ava.
What if the Pet Buster finds out he's missing his keys?
I'd rather not think about it.
All the more reason to hurry it up.
Let's not waste any time. We have to carry out Operation Princess. What are you going to do with that hanky?
I don't like live television.
Now the video camera can't film us. Good work, Katie.
And we can easily enter the house to save the princess.
What's wrong?
I don't know. The key, it won't turn.
Please, Princess Ava, even though you're not here with us, help us, please.
I did it!
Very good work.
Well done, Katie.
Well, do you feel up to going inside?
You know very well I'll never leave you on your own.
Come on, let's get in there and save Ava.
Oh, all I want is a little